Have you ever wondered what happens in your brain when you're happy? When you're happy, your brain will release some feel-good neurotransmitters. This makes us feel happiness and gives us a better self-esteem.
Dopamine is one of those substances that give us a feeling of joy and happiness, and serotonin gives us better self-esteem.
The neurotransmitter dopamine is released through neural pathways as an electric energy. It hits a dopamine receptor, which sends the substance further to the next neuron.
The process with serotonin is a lot like the process with dopamine, just a tiny bit more complicated. That's why we choose to save that for another time.
The release of serotonin gives the same feeling as when you take antidepressant pills. The pills make the serotonin stays in your body longer and therefore makes you happier.
Think about it. What makes you happy? Coffee, candy, smoking cigarettes, alcohol maybe.
If you feel depressed, you can eat and drink things that make your brain release more dopamine and serotonin.
You could, for example, eat apples, bananas, chicken or eggs, or maybe even sardines. This food actually makes the brain release more dopamine.
If you need better self-esteem, it would help to eat, for example, spinach powder, potato with skin, dried beans, fish or turkey. That makes your level of serotonin rise.
But when else does the brain release dopamine? For example, it releases dopamine when you're exercising or having sex.
If you have a low level of dopamine, you will feel depressed, have headaches, get suicidal thoughts, or eat a lot of fat food.
If you have a low level of serotonin, you can easily get an addiction to alcohol, get suicidal thoughts, or have a tendency to get mad very easily.
We hope that you now have a better understanding on why you're happy or why you're not. We recommend that you go home and eat a lot of spinach powder, potatoes with skin, and sardines. Goodbye.